At Orbbo, we create nature-based herbal ingredients designed to meet global standards of purity, potency, and performance. Our ashwagandha root powder is crafted to retain its natural bioactives, functional strength, and authentic character. The journey starts in carefully selected farmlands where ashwagandha is grown under monitored agroclimatic conditions that support healthy root formation. Cultivated using sustainable farming practices, the plants are allowed to mature fully before harvest, ensuring optimal withanolide content and therapeutic efficacy. Only mature, well-developed roots are hand-harvested. Each root is individually selected to ensure it meets Orbbo's quality expectations before leaving the field. Upon arrival at our facility, the roots are received under controlled conditions that ensure freshness, traceability, and integrity. Every batch undergoes a detailed quality assessment, evaluating maturity, color, aroma, and overall quality. Only roots that meet premium grade standards move forward. To prepare the roots for processing, they are uniformly cut to support efficient handling and consistent drying. The cut roots are then thoroughly cleaned using multi-stage washing systems, removing soil, sand, and surface impurities while maintaining hygienic processing conditions. Drying follows, a critical phase where control matters. Using hot air drying or low-temperature drying methods, moisture is gently removed while preserving ashwagandha's natural alkaloids, characteristic aroma, and medicinal properties. Once dried to precise specifications, the roots are finely milled using advanced pulverization technology. This process transforms the material into a smooth, consistent powder suitable for wellness and pharmaceutical formulations. Precision sieving ensures uniform texture and particle size, delivering consistency required for high-performance applications. Safety remains uncompromised. The powder undergoes sterilization to eliminate microbial contaminants, followed by rigorous testing for heavy metals, microbial safety, and nutritional parameters, ensuring compliance with international quality benchmarks. The finished organic ashwagandha powder is packed under controlled conditions, stored with care, and distributed to markets worldwide. We offer contract manufacturing and private labeling options packed in pouches, canisters, and in the form of capsules and tablets. Nurtured through sustainable practices, uncompromising food safety, consistent quality assurance, and zero pesticide use, all with a touch of care and dedication. We are Orbbo.